Hello friends, myself Sakir, and I'm sharing this video with respect to the current coronavirus impact spreaded all over the world, impacting each and every nation. By the time we are talking, more than 27 lakh cases have been reported positive, and close to 2 lakh people have been died all over the world. And right now, this is the biggest global death toll in a very short span of time. Every nation is fighting with this virus by protecting its citizens and asking them to be stay at home. And every citizen of each and every country is helping the nation, helping the current government of their country. Entire world is united, entire country is united to fight against it. Because there is no vaccination right now for it. The only remedy is to be at home and safe and follow the precautions which government is asking you to follow. Ironically, this virus is not only impacting the most underdeveloped economies, it is impacting the most developed economies who are medically much more advanced than the developing or underdeveloped economies, and the death toll there is much higher than ours. If I talk about our country, I think this is one of the most remarkable phase wherein from 132 crore people, only 750 casualties have been reported due to this virus. So, at one hand, I am feeling very bad for those families. I am feeling for those family members who have lost their loved ones due to this virus. And God should provide them all the strength in this difficult time. But as a nation, we should feel proud that our current government, police administration, doctors, nurses, bankers, all over the country are risking their life at stake and helping on the nation by doing their duty relentlessly. And we should also salute to the efforts of all these people. Also the celebrities, commoners, everyone is contributing by supporting the needy who do not have the means in this particular time, whose daily livelihood has been suffered because of this coronavirus. The hand to mouth people who are selling on streets some item on streets, and now because all over the country is under lockdown, so they're not been able to do that. So those people are suffering the most, so we should think about them also. And commoners, celebrities, all are contributing, and entire society is united to help them. And also entire country is united to fight against coronavirus and staying at home. The only problem which is coming is that in this difficult time when the whole world needs to be united, whole country needs to be united, we are not understanding one thing, that coronavirus is not impacting a particular religion, a community. It is impacting a person. Any person who is not taking precautions or trying to be smart but not staying at home. But if I see the social media, I found that people are targeting a particular community, a particular religion, that they are doing this, they are doing this. We are not targeting the person who are doing this. If and that person can belongs to any community. Target the person, not the community or religion or belief that person comes from. We should understand that we are living in a particular society where which we all forms this particular society. Just few days back, we all are living together happily. We are doing business with each other as a friends. We are hanging with each other, and just because this happens, we start blaming, and just not understanding the data is free, mind is free, and you want to have some time pass, so you just sharing anything on social media. Before sharing, just give a thought that what your friend will think about you. When that friend notice that you have shared this particular post, what he will make it, he will say this kind of mindset you belongs to. Just understand, we do not we at by the time this coronavirus end, the society should get united, it should not get divided. And by the what we are doing right now from social media medium, that we are trying to divide the country. Okay, so if because if some particular religious community is doing that, 750 is not cannot be the number. It can be much higher, but 750 means that each and every citizen of this country is helping the nation. So my point is that in this difficult times, when our current government is doing its best efforts, police administration, doctors, hospitals are doing giving their best, bankers are coming to their offices, helping financially to the people. In this difficult phase, we should try to gel the society. We should not try to, try to put another virus in the society, which is the communal virus. Only we should fight with coronavirus. We should not prepare a society to fight against a communal virus, because we should feel ashamed once that person whose friend person who is your supposed to be a friend comes in front of you and ask you that at that time you have shared this particular post and now you're saying that you're my friend. So understand, this is a society which formed by each and every person, each and every religion community. This country is about 132 crore people, as our Prime Minister always say. So we should understand, we should gel the society, we should not break it. And most importantly, stay fit, stay home, don't be over smart, protect yourself, your family, and be happy. Thank you. Bye bye.